Hi everyone, welcome to the PrestaShop 1.7 tutorial video series. Today we will continue to discover how to configure your shop by going through the menus, product and customer settings. Okay, the product settings. This page contains the preferences pertaining to how your products are to be handled and displayed by PrestaShop. The first part is called General Preferences. It is composed of different settings. Firstly, the Catalog mode. Enabling Catalog mode turns your shop into a simple gallery of products with no way to buy the items whatsoever. You can also set the number of days for which a product is considered new. And you can set the maximum size of your product summary. Your product has two descriptions, a summary and a regular description. The summary, which appears in search engines and in the category description for your product, is limited to 400 characters by default, but this option enables you to change that limit. 0 means there is no limit at all. You can set the quantity discount based on your products or combinations. You can force the update of the friendly URL. By default, the friendly URL of your product page is generated from the product title, and it stays the same even though the product title changes, because in order to be well referenced, your URLs should be stable. And also, you can set the default activation status of your products. If you enable this option, new products will automatically be activated when you create them. The next part of this menu is called Pagination Preferences. It only has 3 features, but it's very important. First of all, you can set the products per page. Secondly, you can set the default order, and there are 6 choices available. You can set the default order by product name, product price, product add date, product modification date, position inside the category. It displays your products as they are positioned in the categories in your catalogue. The position of the products can be modified directly in the catalogue of your shop using the positions arrows. And you can also set by brand, product quantity and product reference. And all of these default orders can be sorted either by ascending or descending. Next, the product page. And the product page preferences. Here we can set to display the available quantities on the product page. Displaying the information can be used to stimulate sales in the case where the quantity of this stock is low. And you can display the remaining quantities when a quantity is lower than. This option is particularly useful for promoting purchases. You can display unavailable product attributes on the product page. So when one or several attributes are not available anymore, you have 2 possibilities. Firstly, in the first possibility, you can leave this preference activated. By keeping this option enabled, the product's combinations will remain visible in the shop. A message will indicate that the product is no longer available in the chosen option, and it will invite the customers to choose another combination. The second possibility is to disable this preference. If the blue combination of the iPod Shuffle product is no longer available, that selection is not displayed in the front office and the customer cannot select it. You can display Add to Cart button when the product has attributes. You can also set the separator of the attribute anchor on the product links. And you can display discounted price. When using the volume discount board, show the discounted price rather than the discounted percentage. The last part of the menu is called the Product Stock Preferences and is composed of 3 features. Allow ordering of out-of-stock products. Enable stock management. This option gives you the access to basic stock management options and features. By default, you should leave this feature enabled, as disabling it affects the entire inventory management of your shop. The next part is the default pack stock management. When you sell packs of products, the way your stock is updated depends on this option, and you have 3 possibilities. Decrement pack only. When a pack is sold, only the stock for that pack will be impacted. Decrement products in pack only. When a pack is sold, only the stock for each product will be impacted. And finally, decrement both. When a pack is sold, both the stock for the pack and the stock for each product will be impacted. This setting can be changed for each one of your packs in their own product page in the Quantities tab. And next we'll move on to the customer settings, and that will be part of our second video.